Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So you guys, so today I am doing a very exciting for me unboxing on my very new MacBook Pro. This is the MacBook Pro 2020 version. If you haven't followed me for a while, you already know that I have been having a lot of issues with my old MacBook Pro, which is right here. This is my old MacBook Pro that I've been having since nursing school. This is actually the 2012 MacBook Pro, very old, but it has been rocking with me for a very long time. It is still in good condition. It's just not what I need right now as a content creator. So you guys, I recently just purchased this MacBook and I want to actually do an unboxing on camera and setting up my MacBook with you guys. So let's go ahead and just talk about the MacBook that I actually purchased. So this is the MacBook Pro. I actually got this one in the space gray color, and the storage on this one is actually a 16 gigabyte, I guess, a 16 gigabyte storage with a 1 terabyte hard drive, I'm assuming. I got the 1 terabyte one just because I feel like it'll be enough space for me with my content creating. Also, I actually got this bad boy on sale. Now, funny story was, I actually been needing a MacBook, but I just could not buy a new one, only because I felt like, honestly, the new ones aren't as good as my old one. Like my old one here, my bad boy, I still have USB ports. I have a CD drive on this side. So I have the CD drive. I have an SD card. Like, I have a lot of ports that I can use on a regular, compared to the new ones where you have to get an adapter to use the USB. And I just was not feeling it, but it is time to move on. Okay, so I had to get this. And crazy thing is, I was actually going to buy a new one from, well, yeah, kind of like a new one or open box one from Best Buy like a couple weeks ago, and it was on sale. Best Buy had like a $200 off of all of their MacBooks, and I was going to get it, but I need to see the MacBook in person. That's one thing with me. Before I make a big purchase, I'll definitely have to see it in person. And by the time that I did see it in person, the sale was over with. So I was like, oh my gosh, I done missed a sale, so should I just wait like another week to see if the sale will come back? And something told me to just Google just to see if Apple had a sale, because I'm like, I know Apple never have sales, okay? But sis and bros, they actually had a sale on all of their MacBooks. They actually had a sale. It's called the education sale. Someone told me that they had this sale like once a year or something like that, where they actually take off up to $200 off of their MacBooks or iPads. This one actually was $100 off because the original price is $1,999, and it was, with the sale, it was actually $1,899. And also with the sale, you actually got a free pair of AirPods, which is dope because AirPods is like, I don't know, almost $200 already. And then also you got 20% off of Apple Care, which I was gonna get anyways. It also has something called a Pro App Bundle, which consisted of Final Cut Pro, which I already wanted, Motion 5, which is a powerful motion graphic tool for creating titles, transitions, and effects for Final Cut Pro. They also have Compressor 4, which is also another editing software, Logic Pro X, which is a music production software, and then MainStage 3, which is a live performance app. And all 5 of those apps was only $199. Okay, $199 for 5 of those apps, when actually all of those apps together almost cost $600. So I was like, I'm getting all of it, okay? All of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing, because I got this bad boy like 2 days ago and I've been wanting to open it, but I want to open it with you guys. So here we go. I have not opened up a fresh MacBook, I mean, since 2012. Okay, so this is the box right here, and let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. It's kind of like open up a purse box, no lie. Ooh, beautiful. Oh my god, smells so good. So this is what my MacBook looks like right here. So it is in the color Space Gray. Like I said, this is the 1 terabyte size, which I am very, very happy to have. All right. Ooh, it is so thin. Oh my gosh, it is so thin compared to my old one. Wow, definitely was not expecting that. And it's actually lighter. Okay, so that is neat. It's like getting a fresh pair of shoes. I'm gonna put that over there. Oh my gosh. Wait. Hold up. This bad boy have a scratch on it. Okay, maybe it wasn't. Y'all. Look, I ain't got time because I'm gonna return this very quickly if it was a scratch. So, okay, so you open it this way. Oh, so fresh. So fresh. Okay, so this is very different from what I'm used to. So take that off. Oh, it's starting up, you guys. Ah! So happy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up while it's starting up. Try and figure that out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in all my internet information in here because I do not know it by hand, by heart, and then we will be back. So this is definitely a bit of a process when it comes to, oh Lord, okay. Well, that's cool. You can actually add your card, your credit card information, as you can see yourself, add your credit card information on here. So, okay, that's pretty dope. I'm not gonna do that right now. So y'all don't need to see my stuff, so we're gonna set that up later. And we're gonna do light, dark, or auto. I'm gonna stick with auto because I like the fact when stuff is set up for sunset and sunrise type of thing, so it can automatically go to light to dark depending on the time of the day. So definitely gonna keep that. Setting up this bad boy. Okay, so I really do like the feel for this. It feels really nice. One thing that I feel like it's super duper nice. I don't know what this is called, but I guess like the space bar or something like that. I don't know. But like it's completely dark until you can tap on something that you actually need, I guess. Like this. It just popped up. But also with this MacBook is that they have, I can't remember what these ports are called. Okay, so these are the Thunderbolt 3 ports, or the Thunderbolt ports. So they actually have 4 of these bad boys. They have 2 on this side, and then they have 2 on the other side here, along with a headphone jack. I'm glad that they actually kept the headphone jack, just because, you know, I'm not really sure if AirPods could connect to this or not. If it does, that's pretty dope. But yes, I do like that feature. And because since I'm used to using a USB, I actually purchased this USB-C hub connector from Amazon because I don't have any of these type of connectors for my actual camera when it's time to edit, and I still need to be on the go with my stuff. So I actually purchased this USB-C hub, and we're gonna see what that one looks like right now. Okay, so this is what this bad boy looks like. I actually got this off of Amazon, which is pretty neat. It's called Ho2, if you can see it. It's called Ho2, and this is actually a USB-C port. Now I can plug this actually into my MacBook, and they have 4 USB plugs there, an SD card slot there, and I forgot what this one is for, but this is my priority. So this is very useful when it comes to my videos and my editing. So I like that. Very neat and very slender, and actually matches my MacBook a little bit, so I like that. And I don't think this bad boy costs too much, but it will be in my Amazon store if you do want to, you know, check it out. So yeah, so that is pretty much all with my setup for my new Mac. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off camera. But I hope you guys did enjoy this good old unboxing of my new MacBook. I really do like it, and I'm so excited to use it compared to my old one that is gone, baby. But I will still keep this one and still use this one like just for personal use, and then I will use this all for my content creating. But yes, I'm so excited to use this bad boy, especially since it has Final Cut Pro, and now I can like be extra bound with my videos. So stay tuned for all that jazz. So yeah guys, so if you did enjoy this good unboxing and revealing of my new baby, my new MacBook Pro, the 1TB MacBook Pro, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, turn it gray, hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I want to post a new video. Bye guys.